Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 4:43.
It's 4:43, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, my name is Chang. Nice to meet you.
My name is Wang. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Wang, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Nice name.
Thanks. Your name's good too.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family: my father, my mother, my older sister, my younger brother, and I.
Tell me about your father.
My father's name is Tang. He's 60 years old. He's a driver and he's working in an airport. He's very easygoing and hardworking. He's at home now.
Excuse me, what's your father's name, please?
My father's name is Tang.
So your father's name is Tang, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
How old is he?
He's 60 years old.
He's 60 years old?
Yes.
What does he do?
He's a driver and he's working in an airport.
He's a driver and he's cooking in an airport.
Airport?
He's a driver and he's cooking in an airport?
Yes, it is.
What is he like?
He's very easygoing and hardworking.
He's very easygoing and hardworking?
Yes.
Where is he?
He's at home now.
He's at home now?
Yes.
How about your mother? Tell me about your mother.
My mother's name is Vân. She's 46 years old. She's a worker and she's working for a company. She's very difficult and careful. She's at home with my father now.
Excuse me, what's your mother's name, please?
My mother's name is Vân.
So your mother's name is Vân, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
How old is she?
She's 46 years old.
She's 46 years old?
Yes.
What is she like?
She's very difficult and careful.
She's very difficult and careful?
Yes.
And where is she?
She's at home now.
She's at home now?
Yes.
But you tell me about yourself.
My name is Wang. I'm 23 years old. I'm a student and I'm studying at Hanoi National University of Education.
Excuse me, how old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
So you're 23 years old, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
What do you do?
I'm a student and I'm studying at Hanoi National University of Education.
You're a student and you're studying at Hanoi National University of Education?
Yes.
How often do you usually go to school?
Yes, I do. I like it very much.
Very much?
Yes.
How often do you go to school?
5 days a week. I go to school 5 days a week.
5 days a week?
Yes.
Do you usually go to school like weekends?
Yes, I do. I do it very often.
You do it very often?
Yes.
When do you usually go to school?
In the morning. I usually go to school in the morning.
In the morning?
Yes.
What time do you usually go to school?
At 7 o'clock in the morning. I usually go to school at 7 o'clock in the morning.
At 7 o'clock in the morning?
Yes.
Who do you usually go to school with?
Alone. I usually go to school alone.
Alone?
Yes.
How many people are there in your class?
There are 40 people in my class.
There are 40 people?
Yes.
How many students are there in your school?
Pardon?
How many students are there in your school?
About 10,000 students. There's around 10,000 students in my school.
Pardon?
About 10,000 students. There are about 10,000 students in my school.
About 10,000 students?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.